If you're looking to upgrade your TV for home, you'll find no shortage of options. Maybe you're unsure whether you want an OLED or mini LED model. Maybe you just want a casual TV to catch up on the latest episode of Love Island. Or you want a gorgeous picture built to capture every single detail as Ryan Coogler intended in one of my favorite films, Sinners. Regardless, it can feel like a lot to choose a TV for any space. I'm Rebecca Isaacs, the consumer tech and electronics editor at Forbes Vetted. When I'm not talking about the latest TVs I've tested, I'm actually testing them. As an ISF-certified calibrator and as a display expert who's tested almost every model to hit the market for the last several years, my team and I narrowed down the top choices based on in-person testing and a wealth of industry knowledge. We considered factors like the back panel, the software inside your TV, and AI-based features, so you can find a TV to fully immerse you in your shows and movies. Let's dive into our top picks. We chose the LG OLED Evo C5 as the best TV overall because my testers and I felt it truly represents a great balance of price and performance. It features a razor-sleek design with a near-infinity display. You can mount it to your wall, though keep in mind that due to its design, it can't sit flush-mounted. It's an OLED panel and uses 8.3 million self-lit pixels to display a lovely 4K picture. The LG OLED Evo C5 excels at keeping details crystal clear, and the OLED technology combined with LG's brightness booster keeps colors bright enough for viewing at any time of the day and vivid. The details truly shine on this TV. Colors are vibrant without feeling oversaturated once the panel is calibrated. During testing, we evaluated the picture quality using Mad Max Fury Road. Action sequences looked smooth and rich on this TV, and that's partially thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. That means the TV updates the display 120 times every second, so you're getting a super smooth picture. Plus, it also comes with features built to enhance your viewing experience, including Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and a dedicated filmmaker mode. It also offers intuitive software. The LG OLED Evo C5 uses what the brand calls LG Web OS, and it puts all of your content front and center, and it's all easily accessible from the hub. The Hisense U8 series is a prime example of a great mini LED panel that offers great value for the features. It uses thousands of tiny backlights and dimming zones to help produce brightness and vibrancy. But the Hisense U8 series, while classified as a mini LED, it goes further than that. It also uses QLED technology to enhance the display's picture so you can enjoy over 1 billion different Pantone validated shades of color. The TV also uses AI-based extras like AI Scenario, which analyzes your picture scene by scene to optimize the picture quality. Plus, it comes with Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, and HLG. The panel's anti-reflection screen reduces glare on the TV in bright, sunny spaces. It also features one of the brightest backlights on a TV, able to reach a massive 5,000 nits, and uses an AI-based light sensor to sense and adjust your TV's brightness and color temperature. Our testers felt it was bright enough for most spaces while keeping details clear during dark movie sequences. The Hisense features the Google TV operating system. You can create personalized profiles, resume watching your shows right where you left off from the homepage, and receive personalized recommendations. Plus, it features Google Gemini, so you can quickly get access to any questions. No need to find your phone and then ask. While the TV doesn't include any cloud gaming services, it does detect when you switch to a gaming console and automatically optimizes the picture quality for gaming. This gaming mode offers a 165 Hz refresh rate, and it also comes with the auto low latency mode to keep your gameplay and action sequences smooth as butter. The Samsung S90F is an OLED that features near-infinity bezels and a sharp TV stand. It features a super thin panel with a slight box on the back. It won't sit flush with the wall, but it's darn close. The Samsung S90F doesn't have any anti-reflection built in, so I do recommend this for a space that doesn't get direct sunlight. However, it has excellent light handling. It gets very bright if you receive a lot of ambient light in your space. And the TV handles most dark scenes well, thanks to the OLED technology. Blacks look accurate on screen. The colors on this TV look lifelike and vivid, so much that during testing, we noted that our gaming sessions showed every character and detail beautifully. That's one of my favorite reasons to consider this TV. While it doesn't offer Dolby Vision, Samsung nailed its use of HDR to create a hyper-realistic picture on screen and during gameplay. Plus, that OLED display nails those deep inky blacks, even if it's not quite as refined as the LG OLED Evo C5 TV. Samsung TVs feature Samsung's homegrown operating system called Samsung Tizen, which puts all of your content directly on the homepage. It's pretty easy to use, and all of your home entertainment preferences are front and center, which our testers liked. But say you have a bright living room that gets plenty of afternoon sun, and you need a TV that can showcase every detail without compromise. If that's the case, the Samsung QN90F Neo QLED TV is a great choice. The TV features a glare-free filter that reduces glare on your display. The TV is pretty darn thin for a QLED panel and features a small, sleek stand that looks great in any space. It has a powerful processor that not only plays vibrant and detailed 4K content, but it also upscales your older content to 4K using a feature called 4K AI Upscaling Pro. The QLED technology essentially layers a quantum dot layer across a mini LED panel. It's a twofold meaning. On one hand, it makes the picture just a hair darker. On the other, it helps make the TV's Pantone validated colors truly pop. Because it's a Samsung TV, it doesn't come with Dolby Vision. However, that shouldn't sway you from considering this panel. Its Neo Quantum HDR Plus technology makes it feel like your picture is popping off the screen. It does have a somewhat narrow viewing angle, but unless you're looking at it directly from your sofa, you're not going to notice. It also features an impressive 165 Hz refresh rate, but the max refresh rate depends on what console you connect. And you get access to the Samsung Tizen OS as well as the Samsung Gaming Hub. You can catch up on your favorite shows via your favorite apps, stream complimentary channels, and much more on this TV, which represents a solid balance of price and performance. If you're a gamer, skip all the others. Just get the LG OLED Evo G5. It's the brand's flagship TV, which means that it has every feature a gamer could need. It's a super thin panel that can sit flush on your wall if you don't want to purchase a TV stand. The LG OLED Evo G5 uses what the brand calls brightness booster. It makes all of your gameplay super vivid, bright, and clear. The LG OLED Evo G5 uses a game optimizer mode, and I do recommend you take the time to calibrate and tweak not only the TV's general settings, but also this dedicated gaming mode. The TV showcases hyper-accurate, vivid colors and the deep, inky blacks I've come to crave in an OLED TV. There's also the gaming portal, which allows access to all of your favorite cloud gaming services, including Amazon Luna, Blacknut, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and more. And cloud gaming excels on this TV. When our team tested games like Batman Arkham Knight and LEGO Star Wars 3, The Clone Wars, gameplay was smooth and lag-free. That said, one notable drawback about this TV is that the audio quality is very tinny. If you're a gamer, invest in a soundbar so you can enjoy rumbling explosions in Call of Duty or feel the bass as a Thunderjaw charges you in my latest game obsession, Horizon Forbidden West. These are 5 of our favorite TVs in 2026, but there are so many more options out there. Make sure to follow Forbes Vetted on Instagram and TikTok to see more product reviews and recommendations. And if you saw any TV that caught your eye, be sure to click the links in the descriptions to add one of these stellar displays to your home. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's time to test more TVs.